Hi, I'm Dr. Ariel Brown, and I am with the Student Health Center's Mental Health Service. Did you know that many people are struggling to give themselves self-compassion during COVID-19? Dr. Krista Neff researched self-compassion, and it includes 3 things. 1 is mindful awareness. This just means being in the here and now, in the present moment, without judgment and only with acceptance. Number 2, common humanity. This means recognizing that we all suffer and that we all struggle as human beings. You are not alone. Number 3 is self-kindness. So self-kindness simply means caring for yourself like you would a family member or a loved one or a friend. Do something kind for yourself, like go on a walk around LSU lakes. One way that I show kindness to myself is reading a good book and resting. So, if you think that you can benefit from mental health counseling to address anxiety or unhelpful thinking patterns, call us at 225-578-8774 to schedule an appointment. Thank you for tuning in to this Tiger Tip, and remember, we're here to help keep you roaring.